In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Slack on Windows 11. Keeping your applications up to date is essential to ensure you enjoy the latest features, improvements, and most importantly, security enhancements. Updating Slack is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step so you can continue collaborating seamlessly. First, we'll start by going to the Start menu. If you're new to Windows 11, you'll find the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon, typically located at the bottom center of your screen on the taskbar, though you may have moved it to the left side. This menu is your portal to everything installed on your computer, offering easy access to a wide array of apps and settings. Once you've opened the Start menu, your next destination is the Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store is the official accessibility point for downloading and updating apps on your Windows device. If you don't see it among your pinned apps, you can type Microsoft Store into the search bar right at the top of the Start menu to find it quickly. Now that you're in the Microsoft Store, it's time to search for Slack. In the Microsoft Store window, there's a search bar that's waiting for you to utilize. By clicking on it and typing Slack, you'll prompt a list of apps related to your search term. By selecting Slack from the results, you'll be taken to Slack's dedicated page in the store. On Slack's page, look for an option labeled Update. If this button is present, go ahead and click it. An update button indicates that a new version of the app is available, and by selecting it, you'll start downloading and installing all the latest features and security patches. If you don't see the update button and instead see open, that means your Slack application is already updated to the latest version. In this case, no further action is necessary, and you're ready to continue using Slack with all the current updates. Keeping apps like Slack up to date ensures you're running the most secure and efficient version possible, which is vital for maintaining uninterrupted productivity. Often, updates bring enhancements that can improve functionality and user experience, so staying updated can offer some unexpected advantages. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now ensured that your version of Slack is current. I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.